Hello, thank you for watching another episode of No Limit Learning. I'm doing these videos to show our nation and the world of how smart our young people are, and that we do not have to wait until they get into the upper grades to teach them certain concepts. If you teach it to them now, they'll master it now, and by the time they get a little older, they'll be ready to move on to greater things. So, my leaders from Holman Leadership Academy, they are preschool, kindergarten, first grade in this group, and they are very bright. They know a lot more than I would say some 4th, 5th, 6th, and even 7th graders. So today we're going to demonstrate something new. They're learning it just like you, called an inequality. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the word up on the board. So it's inequality. Okay, let's inequality. Inequality. How many syllables is that?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. So let's spell the first one. N. Raise your hand if you can spell N.
I-N.
N. Very good. N. The next syllable is very easy.
Q.
What? You skipped one. N. E. E. You heard the Q from N. E. That's easy. Qual. Qual. Okay. Yes, Ryan? Qua.
Q.
What comes with the Q?
U.
O.
A.
L. O. N. Equal. If. Hannah?
T. I.
Okay. If. And then the last one is T.
T.
Well, we hear the letter T, but it has a friend with
Y.
it. It has a friend with it.
Y.
Why? Thank you for raising your hands. All right. So, inequality. Now, how do I spell it, leaders?
N-I-N.
The next letter?
N. E. Q. U. A. L. I. T. Y.
All right. Now, let's figure out what this word means. It has this prefix on the front. It's N. And it's not what we usually think of what N means. Whenever you see N on the front of a word, it means not. Whenever you see N on the front of a word, it means what?
Not.
Not. So this means not. And here's the root word. Raise your hand if you think you can read that word. Yes.
Equal.
Equal. So this is equal. We all know what it means when something is equal. It means that they're the same. But we're looking for numbers that are not equal. Okay? So first I'm going to ask you guys to show me a line. Show me a line, because we're going to work with the number line today. We know that a line goes on forever in each direction. It covers all the numbers forever and ever in each direction. So I'm going to draw my number line. Okay, little bird, stop flapping your wings. Put your arms down. Okay, so here's my number line. You can help me count.
1.
You know what? Rather than using intervals of 1, I'm going to use intervals of 3. Let's count by 3s.
3, 6, 9,
12,
15, 18, 20,
21. Okay, I'm out of space. So my leaders are so smart. Even preschoolers know how to count by different numbers. And they know how to multiply and divide. And yesterday they found out how to do circumference using the formula pi times diameter. All right, so I have my number line. Now, they also know that x is a variable. Call it a variable because this number can vary. It can change. And they also know greater than and less than. So let's look at this. X is, oh wait, I don't even have a 4 up there. How about 12? So x is, what is this, leaders? Greater than 12. So x is greater than 12. I'm looking for all the numbers that are greater than 12. Raise your hand if you can give me a number that's greater than 12. Yes, Ryan?
Infinity.
Okay. Well, infinity looks like this. That just goes on forever and ever.
A zillion.
A zillion. I can't write that number. It's too big. Yes. Give me a number greater than 12.
15.
15.
120.
120, Nicholas?
100,000.
Okay, you're making up numbers. Sapphire, give me a number greater than 12.
120.
100, okay, you guys love 120. So, I'm looking for any number that is greater than 12. So, since I'm looking for a number that's greater than 12, I'm going to go to the number 12. Beep, right here. Put a circle on top of it. Now, if I make my arrow go this way, leaders, am I pointing at numbers? Are all these numbers greater than 12? Think about it.
No.
No, they're not greater than 12. Is 3 greater than 12?
No.
Is 6 greater than 12?
No.
Is 9 greater than 12?
No.
No. So this is going in the wrong direction. All right, now, let's see. Am I pointing in the right direction? Okay, these numbers are all greater than 12. Yes, Ryan, yeah.
It's like a ray.
Very good. You notice that this is a ray. And we already know what a ray is. A ray starts at one number. It goes on forever and ever, showing all the numbers that are either greater than or less than that number. So this is a ray. Very good. So I put my circle above the 12, and I'm pointing in the direction of all the numbers that are greater than 12. And if you notice, look, here's a pattern. See how my point is pointing this way to the right? Right here is also pointing in the same direction. So there's one more trick. Dun, 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 dun. Now, I can put this line right here. If you look at it, it's like it's half of an equal sign. See that? I'm taking half of the equal sign away. So, I've got this line here. It means that x can be any number that is greater than or equal to. In order to show that up here, I'm going to color this in. So now I'm saying x can be any number that is either greater than 12 or equal than 12. That means I can use 12 also. So my variable x can be 12. Can it be 13? Is 13 greater than 12?
No. Yes.
Think about it. Okay, yes, 13 is greater than 12. Can it be 1,485,392
Yes.
and 1500ths?
Yes.
Yes, it can be. All right, very good. So this is it for No Limit Learning today. I just, again, would like to show the world that if you teach it to them now, they will understand it now. There's nothing that our young leaders can't do. Thank you very much.
Adios.